Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math, and today we're learning about using the quadratic formula.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.
We're given this problem right here. 14m squared plus 1 equals 6m squared plus 7m, and we need to solve this using the quadratic formula. Well, one thing here is I want to have this all equal to 0, so let's bring everything to the left-hand side. I subtract a 6m squared to both sides, and 14m squared minus 6m squared gives us an 8m squared. Bring the 7m over to the left-hand side, subtract it, minus 7m, don't forget that plus 1. And now that's equal to 0. We now have a quadratic equal to 0, we can use the formula. M equals negative b, so we have a negative, and our b value here, if I put a parenthesis here, is a negative 7. Don't forget it. Plus or minus square root of b squared, negative 7 squared, minus 4 times a, which is 8, times c, which is 1. All over 2 times a, which is 8. Okay? So now let's go solve this. M equals negative times a negative is a positive 7 plus or minus the square root. Negative 7 squared is a 49. And 4 times 8 times 1 is a 32. So we minus a 32 here. All over 2 times 8, 16. Keep on going. M equals 7 plus or minus, and 49 minus 32 is 17. Square root of 17. That's all over 16. Well, this actually doesn't really simplify anymore. Square root of 17 doesn't really break down. Nothing cancels out. So this plus or minus statement we can write as two answers. We have 7 plus the square root of 17 over 16, and 7 minus the square root of 17 over 16. And so our final answer here is m equals 7 plus square root of 17 over 16, and 7 minus the square root of 17 over 16. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video. This helps us make more free math lessons for you and for everyone else. So as always, thanks for watching.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.